Tiffany here of Tiffany Gordon Cosplay with a video on how to fix cracks and seams in your EVA foam project using Quick Seal. And for doing this process, this needs to be the last step before you prime and paint your EVA foam. So this means that your piece needs to be already assembled, glued together, and heat treated before using this method. And to do this process, you're going to need, of course, Quick Seal, as well as paper towels, some wooden crafting sticks, and you'll need some water as well. And for doing this process, you want to work in sections no larger than 6 inches at a time, as well as you want to use as little as possible of this material. And for me, I apply it by squeezing it out of the tube onto a wooden crafting stick and placing it where I want it on the cracks and the seams. This will give you the most control without so much extra Quick Seal everywhere. And once you have the small section covered, get a little piece of paper towel, dip it into your water ever so slightly, and then wipe off the extra Quick Seal. You want the Quick Seal to only be in the crack and in the seam, and to not be on the EVA foam surface. When the Quick Seal dries, it dries at a different shine, where the EVA foam is matte, but the Quick Seal, even after priming and painting, always comes up shiny. So doing it this way helps ensure the least amount of seam visible. And once you are done with it, you need to wait 24 hours for this product to dry. The surface may look dry at glance, but you are really waiting for underneath it to fully dry. And then after that, you can prime it and paint it and do whatever you want with it. I will also note that you cannot sand this once it is done, as it will come up in chunks. One of the examples that I use this for in some of my past cosplays would be my Pink Mercy from Overwatch, and I use this on all of the EVA foam armor pieces, filling all of the seams around the connecting joints. And after it was dried and painted, all of the armor pieces looked like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial on how to fill cracks and seams for EVA foam using Quick Seal. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, let me know in the comments, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out my other method using foam clay if you're interested in other options for fixing cracks and seams. Much love, guys!